Did you know there's an easy way to clean your wiper blades? Hi everybody, I'm Basso Contour. Stay tuned, let's check it out. Well, here's my first secret ingredient, and it's simply common white vinegar. And I'm going to mix this up with hot soapy water. And I'm just going to use an old washcloth. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the wiper blades and clean them. This just takes a few minutes. Here's my second secret ingredient. Use alcohol swabs after you're finished with the cloth, and this will make sure it's absolutely clean. And again, just takes a minute or so, really simple. After just about 10 minutes of work, let's see how it turned out. Well, not too bad. Probably not as good as brand new wiper blades, but pretty darn good. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you like learning new things, you've come to the right place. Please subscribe to see all of my latest videos. I'm Basso Contour. Thanks for watching, everybody.